I am Dr. Ashish Gupta. I joined ICMR, National Institute of Malaria Research, in October 1988. Since past 31 years, I have gained valuable experience in implementing bioenvironmental control strategy for control of malaria in 3 different eco-epidemiological regions of the country, that is the green or Tarai areas of district Nainital, the stone quarry areas of district Prayagraj, and industrial areas of district Haridwar. I have also been closely associated with various research activities being carried out at the field unit. For example, vector biology, which includes monitoring of insecticide resistance status in malaria vectors, both in Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. We have also been associated with assessment of quality and efficacy of insecticides used in indoor residual spray by the State Health Department. We have carried out both laboratory as well as field trials of larvicides, adulticides, and long-lasting insecticide-treated nets used for control of mosquitoes. We have carried out studies on outbreak investigations of malaria, and we also carried out active surveillance, point prevalence studies, and mass blood survey to determine the asymptomatic carriers and disease burden in the particular area. We have also carried out studies on plant extracts and isolation of the plant derivatives for evaluating their repellent, larvicidal and adulticidal activity against mosquitoes. For biological control, the field unit has a well-established larvivorous fish hatchery for mass distribution and propagation of fishes in the state. Both entomological and technical support is being provided to the State Department for control of malaria. The unit serves as a referral center for cross-checking of blood smears, and as a part of capacity building, entomological and parasitological training is being provided to medical staff, vector-borne disease consultants, entomologists, lab technicians, and other paramedical staff of the State Health Department, and also teams visiting from NIMR Delhi. We also provide training to ASHAs for improving their efficiency in control of malaria. During the next few years, we would like to continue both basic and operational research for control of malaria as well as other vector-borne diseases such as dengue, chikungunya, and filariasis. We would also continue to extend both entomological and technical support to the state program for control of malaria and attaining the aim of eliminating malaria from the state. Thank you.